Hey guys, this is Joel with Guitars United here at the Summer NAMM 2014, and I'm at the EarthQuaker Devices and Effect Pedal booth, and we're talking with Adam. Adam was friendly enough to give us a rundown on this new top of NAMM. This is a top product for the NAMM show this year, and it's called the Afterneath. And it's basically a reverb pedal with like some delay parameters?
Yes, more or less. It's a series of short delays that create a very otherworldly reverb sound.
That's cool.
Yes.
That's really cool. That's awesome. Why was it chosen to be best of product, you think?
Because it's really unique. It sounds really spacious. It's got a lot of character, a lot of opportunity for musical expression.
Where's it made at?
Akron, Ohio.
Awesome. So it's a USA product.
That's right.
And what's the map on that?
225.
225, and it's going to be, is it available now or?
No, it's going to be available in the fall.
Okay, so very cool. That's good to know. Hey, Corey, you want to give us a little demo of what the Afterneath does, bro? And we'll just slap that 57 wherever.
Okay.
What amp you playing out of, Z? Oh
Yes,
man,
sir.
he's playing out of a Z. Sweet. Awesome. Hey Adam, so what other kind of products is coming out for Summer NAMM? Anything else?
Yes, we also have the new Palisades, which is based off the TS-808, but it goes much farther than that. And it's a wonderful pedal with lots of different options and ways to get lots of gains out of almost any situation.
Very cool.
We also have the new Fuzz, which is Cloven Hoof, which is it's kind of an updated version of our original hoof, as well as our Arrows, which is a 30 dB character booster.
Very cool.
And all wonderful pedals.
Where can people find these pedals, buddy? What website?
EarthQuaker, I mean...
EarthQuaker.com?
Yes.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, Adam, for your time, bro.
Thank you very much, Joel.
All right, you're welcome, bro.